Hi guys, Tom from Computer for Warriors here with another Feature Friday. Today we're talking about the quick swipe for setting on Android devices. This allows for a quick access to all of your settings and different levels of settings on your Android device. The first thing you do is you swipe down from the top. This first swipe will show you your initial settings such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Do Not Disturb, Screen Rotation, and Battery Saver. If you swipe again, you'll get more in-depth detail settings. At this level, you will be allowed to check your Wi-Fi, connect to a different Wi-Fi, see what you're connected to on your Bluetooth, change the rotation on your phone, and turn on Battery Saver. It also has a quick access button, which is a gear icon, which will take you to the complete settings for your phone. This is a great way for you to swipe and quickly access all your phone settings from Wi-Fi to display. This has been Tom from Computer Warriors with another Feature Friday.